So what you can also do inside of Microsoft Copilot is give image inputs and then ask it things out of it. So for that, I'm going to go around and add an image around over here, and then you can take a photo right here. So if you have a camera attached, and you can also go around and upload from this device right here. So you also have an option to paste an image link, as you can see. But let me just go around and upload from this device, and then I'm going to go around over here onto my YouTube drive right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and select out this particular picture right here and press open right here, just like this. So here you can see that I have this picture of a teacup right here. So I'm going to go around and say explain in detail what is there in this image right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type in this and press enter, then what happens is that it analyzes out the image and then will explain it out. So you can see that it says it is analyzing the image right here, and then if there's any faces and everything else, then it'll blur it out, so it won't actually go around and read that. So now it says the image features a white porcelain cup adorned with a blue and green floral pattern. The cup is filled with hot beverage as an evidence by the steaming vapor. So there's vapor rising from it, positioned on the matching saucer. The cup rests on the wooden table. To the left of the saucer, there lies a silver teaspoon. Its surface is torn with droplets slightly remnants from the beverage right here. The overall scene suggests an intimate, warm environment, possibly within a home or a cozy cafe. The wooden chair with its on backrest design adds to the ambience. The focus on the steaming cup invites through thoughts of comfort, relaxation, and perhaps a brief respite in one's day. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So as you give the image input, you can see that it explains out the contents of the image just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.